Okay, welcome. This is Subway Energy Limited, the solar specialists, professionals. We have decommissioned this battery. This battery, we have used it for the past 10 years and we have already decommissioned it. This is Narada battery. Narada battery, 2 volts, 1000 amp hour. They were 24 in number, and we want to replace it with Shuto battery. You can see 2 volts, 1000 amp hour. This was Narada battery, 2 volts, 1000 amp hour. You can see it comes with 4 terminals. It comes with 4 terminals. These are the new battery we will use on this particular site. These are the inverters, the quattro inverters, the charge controller, and other communication devices. This is the Phoenix inverter, and this is the Frenius inverter. The battery malfunction. It doesn't give us the needed power again. The storage, it doesn't take time, so we are replacing this particular. We are going to use this other battery for this particular side. The inverters are here, uh, 15 kVA each, 15 kVA each, 3 quattro inverters. Then you can see the Phoenix inverter, 5 kVA. This is the Frenius inverter. We are going to give you updates on what we are doing on this particular site. Thank you and remain blessed.